the controversy in Bengaluru over the NEET re-examination held on June 21st, the Bengaluru Traffic Police has issued a fact-check clarification regarding claims that a student missed the exam due to traffic congestion linked to a public event. According to the police, the findings are based on CCTV footage analysis, statements from the candidate and parents from RT Nagar, and a detailed route investigation. The candidate reportedly left home at 12:57 p.m. while the examination entry cutoff time was 1:30 p.m. The police said the candidate reached the examination center area at 1:33 p.m. after the deadline. In a post on X, the Bengaluru Traffic Police stated that traffic conditions on the day were normal and that personnel deployed along the route facilitated movement wherever required. It further noted that the candidate left only 33 minutes before the cutoff time and opted for a longer route despite a shorter alternative being available. The police further stated that a traffic advisory had been issued in advance and a helpline was set up for assistance, concluding that there were no unusual traffic conditions on the day of the examination. So viewers, with this, the Bengaluru Traffic Police has concluded that the missed entry was due to late departure from home and route selection and not because of any traffic disruption related to the public event. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.